to another song besides this one. Can you remember? You left me for somebody else. Now I must face life by myself. You broke so many rules at school. I took the blame for you. I guess I was the fool. You used to sneak me notes in class. Alright, let's go. Check me out. Side nigga chronicle, stress astronomical, planning things logical, play it off as comical, laughter and tears, here to heal peers, yeah, running low on fears, yeah, prime of my years, trying to steer clear, but trouble still here, and shawty not near, baby girl was just here, yeah, that's a head scratcher, she's a head grabber, that's a knee slapper, she like when I'm dapper, they think that I'm a rapper, fam, treat me like a bastard, tough times, what's up Casper, call up my niggas for laughter, on to another chapter, I'm like D.R. you an actor, she start to talk inside her, climbing up them social ladders, career, what she after, my son not gonna be no bastard, I bet your money on it, you say you need a moment, oh that's what you really wanted, one-on-one, ain't no cloning, yeah I know what I'm condoning, you just look better when you glowing, whoa. Better when I'm knowing, wave to her, now she hoeing, have a whole bunny snowing, hey yo ho tiptoeing, my baby invite her over, I think baby really wanna, I'm good baby, you can own her, show shawty how to show her, whoa, pops told me something, it hurts but it's true, you can pay people anything, so the right thing to do, whoa, mom told me something, it's tough but it's tested, let her go, she'll be back, just working, don't stress it, them answers be right, I don't see how we still miss it, you can get to a nigga, just a successful misfit, we not even together but I still feel like I miss it, my bad, y'all know how I speak things into existence, that's God light, pray to God I'm right, can't outshine God's sight, something sacred keep it light, like social media followers and likes, that's what we doing right, walking to the entertainment type, I can't help it, what is selfless, not narcissistic, draw exquisite, aptitude, prolific, word choice specific, any interest he's gifted has value, cause I did it, no I didn't, it business still consistent, tough times talk persistent, born penny pinching, fair chance, better living, learn the game, they seeing billions, wordplay correct in prisons, took the blame, she caught feelings, no I am, she not tripping, she see me, wanna stop stripping, one king, different pimping, whoa. I wink my eye and laugh, those days went by so fast. I used to play the fool. Alright. I feel like that's it.